falls under case 1. So under case 1, you know that you need to use this identity. So this identity is actually comes from here. I believe that you can recall it. Sine squared x plus cos squared x equals to 1. Okay, so since we want this only, that's why we need to move the cos squared x to here, so that it becomes 1 minus cos squared x. Okay, so what is the first step that you need to do? So this is the first step. You need to break it down, sine power of 3 to become sine squared x sine x. Okay, so that we can substitute the trigonometric identity into this. Okay, that's the main idea. Now